Hello everybody, today we are going to unbox a very popular model of MSI Cyborg. This is the model here, you can always see the specs on MSI Cyborg. Seal on top, no seal on the bottom. Instead of this box we got another box, Cyborg 15, True Gaming. This one is not sealed. Here we can see the specs, again model there, I cover the serial number. 15.6 Full HD IPS 144Hz, i7 12th gen, pretty good. RTX 4060 with 8GB, very good video card. It's about as fast as RTX 3070 Ti, 512 SSD, 8GB of DDR5, only 8GB. This is very little, they should have put more. Same amount of RAM as in a video card, video RAM, horrible. Windows 11 Home. We'll get back to the laptop. Got Cyborg sticker, got some papers. Charger should be here somewhere. Charger. That's not big. Chiconi makes chargers for MSI. This one is 120 watt. That's definitely not much. That's not much. It's not gonna be charging it fast. Right, buddy? This is it. The name of the color is translucent black. It's kind of black. I see some probably blue in it a little bit. I'm not sure. There's some parts like this. This kind of design. This is a new design. This is 2022 design. What are you doing? Don't bite. MSI True Gaming. This is here serial model number again. I'll try to unscrew it later and see upgrade options. On the side we have USB-C. We have HDMI, we have RJ45, we have USB-A. Charging goes here. Nothing on the back. This is the design of the back. It's not thick. USB-A. It's a Kensington lock. Headphone. I already unboxed a similar one, with the RTX 4050, but with 13 gen and 16 gig of RAM. So it's debatable which one is better. This one has definitely better video card. 4060 is really good. Power button here. It looks a little bit different. Cyborg style, same as these three buttons. Buttons are easy to press, but they don't pop out very quickly. So I guess it's for kind of a little bit slow gaming. I'm not sure. It's fine. It's fine. I'm being too picky. I have some volume buttons, shut mic, brightness. You have the camera over here. The bezel is smaller than average, which is pretty good. Here's some for soft closing. Alright, buddy? We have here some white thing. So design is it's different from Katana. I like it more than Katana. Material seems nicer. It's nicer than Katana, but it's not a premium product line. But it's fine. It's fine. This is a very popular model nowadays. Probably the most popular Cyborg around. And 4060 is really good. And i7 12th gen is good, even though 13 gen came out. But 12th gen is kind of enough. It's good enough. Very fast. Has all the ports, It's everything is great except for 8 gig of RAM. And you may want some more storage as well, but that's a common issue with many laptops. They have like 512 or 1 terabyte. Why can't they put like 2 or 4 terabytes in them? SSDs are very cheap recently. 8 gig of RAM is definitely not acceptable. It may be fine with some games, but in many games 8 gig of RAM will be a very big downside. I have a factory seal on one of the screws, so they always know if you unscrewed it and opened it. The manufacturer will always know, and it probably avoids the warranty. Do not try to open it if you are not a professional technician. We have SSD here, some fan, everything looks nice. Right, buddy? Intel Wi-Fi Bluetooth. One screw over here for SSD. And RAM is hidden here. By the way, in order to upgrade SSD or RAM, you're supposed to turn off the battery, 3 screws, and then disconnect it. RAM is here, we have 2 slots. It is held by these two. Then it pops out. Here we have the RAM, Samsung, 8 gig, that's it. So you can put another 8 gig over here, or what I would probably do, I would just put 2 of 16s to make it 32 if I were to upgrade it. If it was 16, it's fine, but if it's 8, I would probably just put 2 16s and have 32. And SSD only 1 slot, so you'll probably want like 1 or 2 terabyte. And you just put it back, and it clicks, and that's it. And you put another one over here. I generally do not like to upgrade laptops, but it has a big downside. I wish it had 2nd slot for SSD, but if you want to upgrade this one, you'll have to replace it with a different one and manually install Windows there, which might be a little bit complicated for some people. And if it was 16, I would be fine with that, but since it's 8, I would probably switch it to 32, 16 and 16.